Hello, welcome back everyone. Now we are to prove that the line drawn parallel to the base of a triangle divides the other two sides in equal ratios. Now watch this. The line drawn parallel to the base, in this situation, this line is DE, right? So now we have to prove that DE divides the other two sides in equal ratios. So DE divides AB and AC in equal ratios, right? Now, our solution is actually in the question. Why? Because they've told us that DE is parallel to the base BC, right? So now we can state that DE is equal to lambda, right? Lambda BC. Now, the reason why it's lambda BC is because they've told us that DE is parallel to BC. We can also state this as BC is equal to lambda DE, right? It's actually the same thing. Or any other scalar would do, such as mu or nu, right? So now DE is equal to E minus D, and of course BC is equal to C minus B, not forgetting our lambda over here. Now, expanding this equation, we have lambda C minus lambda B, right? Now, the question states that we have to prove that DE divides AB in equal ratios, right? DE divides the two sides in equal ratios, right? So now we can move lambda C to the other side, and let's see why. E minus lambda C is equal to D minus lambda B. Okay, guys, now we are going somewhere. Now let's pay particular attention. Now we can write this expression also as 1 minus lambda 1 minus lambda. Now doing this, we have actually not changed the expression, right? We have expressed this in another form because we can easily cross multiply and cancel out the 1 minus lambda. Now since we have to show that DE divides the other two sides in equal ratios, we have to bring this to signify external division. Now one trick which we can employ is that we can actually use the negative signs over here, right? So negative signs imply external division, and therefore a negative should be in our formula signifying external division. Now remember, lambda is a scalar, right? So a scalar, when we are using numbers, can be 4, 5, 6, any number at all. Therefore this scalar also comes inside our denominator. Now what do we have over here? From this, we have derived that so in other words, this also means that a point, right, any point which divides CE externally, this is CE externally in a ratio 1 is to lambda, also divides BD externally in the same ratio. Now from this diagram, the point is what? A, because A is dividing EC externally and also DB externally, right? So this is equal to A. So A is dividing DB and EC externally in a ratio 1 is to lambda. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to be kept updated. See you soon.